basically I'm going to do is attaching these bad boys to each other. And now we have a central one, as you see. I decided to have these small paper brackets, whatever you call it, on both sides, but keep it without a central one for extra friction. I know it might sound like an afterthought, but in the very end of editing, I decided to give you exact maximum length of each leg. Despite this, the tripod is complete. Alright, the maximum length I would recommend to keep the strength of the construction is 3 feet. You can extend it more, but the thinnest part can break. So the safe length is 3 feet. How much weight can this thing handle? I tried one kilogram. I put it up on the top of it, and it did handle well. Nothing's broken, as you see. But remember, it's still paper for drafting. It's pretty hard, but it's paper, obviously. So do not put heavy things like the DSLR on it. It's not for heavy things. Maybe your cell phone is alright. Maybe your tablet is okay, but nothing super heavy. It's not aluminum.